Hello guys, this is Aman from Gyanthan. As you know, Gyanthan is India's first education loan marketplace. Students can get loan for education at any level, be it in India or abroad. In last 5 years, we have helped more than 5,000 students getting education loans to study abroad. But last year something different happened. A lot many students reached out to us in groups saying that we are a group of 10 people or 15 people going to this college and they wanted us to negotiate a deal for them from the different lenders. And we thought, okay, hey, why not, let's try it out. We went to different lenders and negotiated a deal for them, and they were able to get an interest rate lower than what they would have got, and truly we were able to leverage their group buying. That's why we thought, can we replicate it and can we make a group of larger number of students? And that's why we are launching something called Gyanthan Elite. It is a new product, one of its kind, first time in India, that allows a student to buy education loan in bulk. So what we'll do is we'll make a group of people of similar profile. Once we have enough number of students, we will reach out to the lender saying that, okay, we have a group of this 100 people, 200 people, 1000 people, and then we'll reach out to different lender and we'll ask them to bid to book this 100, 200, 500 or 1000 students. What are the benefits to you? The benefits is that if you are a group of 100 people, 200 people, then the lender will be able to give you a better rate as compared to what you would have got when you directly approach them. So we have a simple process. There is a link in the description of this video. Go to that link, sign up. By signing up, you are letting us know that you are interested in group buying of the education loan. Once we have enough number of application, then we will see the profile of all the application and we will make different groups. For example, we will make a group of people going to certain colleges, certain courses, a group of maybe similar GRE scores, similar other scores. Once the groups are formed, then we will reach out to lenders and we'll let them know that we have a group of this many number of students of the similar kind and we want you to bid. Once we receive bid from all of them, we will evaluate internally and will let you know the best bid that we receive. If you like the bid, then you will have an option to go ahead with that particular loan program. If you don't like it, you can anytime opt out of it. So truly speaking, all you have to do is let us know that you might be interested in a group buying product and allow us to negotiate a deal from the lenders on your behalf, and then we get back to you that what is the best interest rate that we can get back to you. And if you like that, go ahead and take the loan for that. But if you don't apply right now, then you will not be able to take benefit of the bid that we will receive later. So it's always better to apply and check what is the bid that you are getting and then decide whether you want to go ahead with this or not. In terms of the timeline, there are two seasons that are coming. One is the spring, people who are planning to join the colleges in the month of December, January and February, and then for the people who are planning to join the colleges next year, which is in the month of July, August, September. So for the people who are planning to join in spring, you can let us know if you are interested in this particular group buying product by 15th of September, and after 15 days of that, we'll get back to you with the bid that we will receive. So by 30th September, you will get the bids in your inboxes, and then you can let us know if you want to go ahead with that or not. For the fall, we will do it in different tranches. The first tranche deadline is 15th of December. So if you are certain that you are going in fall, and if you have received an admit or you are certain that you will receive an admit from this particular kind of college, you can participate in the bidding round. That is by signing up the form and wait for the bid that you get. Once you get a bid, and let's say later you get an admit from different colleges, you can apply for different tranches in the future as well. We are not saying that you should not apply for the loans elsewhere. In fact, we recommend you to apply for a normal education loan via Gyan-Dhan, but parallelly you bid the process. Before finalizing the loan offer, wait for the bid from the Gyan-Dhan Allied. If the Gyan-Dhan Allied interest rate is lower than your normal education loan interest rate via Gyan-Dhan, go opt for the Gyan-Dhan Allied product. If Gyan-Dhan Allied product interest rate is not lower, then you can opt for the normal education loan process via Gyan-Dhan. So go ahead, continue the plan that you had in mind, but at the same time, you can participate in the Gyan-Dhan Allied, and if you get a better interest rate, you will be able to get the benefit out of it. So that's it for this video. If you like the concept and the product, do share with your peers, because more the number of students, better it would be for us to negotiate a better deal from the lender. And if there is any feedback, feel free to reach out to us on contact@gyandhan.com or just drop a comment below. Thanks a lot.